In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of YouTube. This is a simple process, but it's really important to know how to do it properly, especially if you're using a shared computer, a public device, or you just want to keep your account separate from someone else who uses the same browser. I'll walk you through each step slowly and clearly, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for. First, open your web browser and go to the YouTube website. You can do this by typing the address into the top bar of your browser, or by clicking on a bookmark if you already have it saved. Once the page loads, you should see the familiar YouTube homepage, with the logo in the top left and a list of recommended videos in the main area. This is your YouTube dashboard, even if you're not currently watching a video. Now, take a look at the very top right corner of the screen. If you're signed in, you'll see your profile icon there. This might be a small circular picture if you've added a profile photo, or it might just be a colored circle with the first letter of your account name. To move forward, click on that profile icon. When you do this, a drop-down menu will appear, showing a list of options related to your account. In this menu, you'll see things like your channel, YouTube Studio, Switch account, and settings. What we're interested in here is the option to sign out. Scroll down the menu if you need to, and look for the text that says sign out. It's usually near the bottom of this list. Once you've found it, click on sign out. After you click, YouTube will log you out of your account on that browser. You'll notice that your profile icon in the top right has changed to a generic sign-in button instead of your personal picture or initial. That's how you can confirm that you're no longer signed in. If you ever want to sign back in, you can just click that button and enter your account details again. That's all there is to it. You've successfully signed out of YouTube. This is a good habit whenever you're done using YouTube on a device that other people can access, as it helps protect your privacy and keeps your recommendations and history tied only to you.